This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday, the 27th day of May. James Spann here, getting set for what should be a fairly calm and very warm day. Let's look at some of the sky cam shots at 5 o'clock from Montevallo. Look at the daylight. The sky is clear there in Shelby County. We'll go up north to Decatur, overlooking the Tennessee River, getting set for a nice sunrise there. And Birmingham Metro shot there. That's the view from downtown Birmingham, looking east from the top of the Daniel Building. A few scattered clouds overhead. A big trough out west, just off the Pacific coast, ridging over the nation's heartland. And this upper low that's just off the Atlantic coast that wants to kind of back up and redevelop in here over the weekend. But for the moment, things are calm around the nation. Very few advisories there. Convective outlooks, that looks like summer, doesn't it? All of the risks way up north. Places like Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Buffalo, New York. Also a slight risk up on the Canadian border. Tomorrow, a slight risk east of Alabama, over parts of eastern Georgia and the Carolinas and southern Virginia. And also one up north. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a slight risk for parts of the high plains. And we do note there's actually low-end 5% severe weather probabilities for the southern half of Alabama, and that would be for cold air aloft with this upper low for any storms that might develop with some hail down and through there. The winds aloft are still relatively light. Here's a QPF chart, rain for the next 5 days, the heaviest rain east of here, but we note the numbers are coming up. This is valid through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting rain amounts of about 3/4 of an inch for the I-65 corridor, and amounts maybe close to 1 inch near the Georgia border. So let's take a look at the GFS. This is the OZ run at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. 588 bubble around El Paso. Cold trough on the Pacific coast, and you can see the feature just off the Atlantic coast, and down below that, things ought to be pretty quiet today. There's always the chance of a shower and a setup like this in the afternoon, but they should be very isolated. And really the same thing tomorrow. The bulk of the day looks dry. We'll mention only isolated afternoon and evening showers and storms, with highs up around 90. Now, Saturday, you can clearly see by looking at the wind barbs there that there is an upper low, a circulation across the deep south. Not especially heavy, but it's definitely there. And that would suggest a chance of scattered showers and storms Saturday afternoon with a partly sunny sky, highs dropping back into the mid to upper 80s. And then Sunday, this run wants to bring the rain chances up on Sunday. And again, that doesn't mean it's going to be a totally rainy day, but it will mean perhaps a better coverage of scattered showers and storms. And quite frankly, the same thing on Monday with a pretty good moisture axis here. So no doubt now it looks like you'll have to dodge a few raindrops over the weekend, with perhaps, based on this run, the more numerous showers and storms coming Sunday and on Memorial Day. Tuesday, showers thin out. Wednesday, still enough moisture for a chance of an afternoon shower or storm. That's pretty much going to be in the forecast every day through August. Well, not maybe every day, but most days. Now, a week from today, look at this trough beginning to sweep down here from the northwest. And down below that, rain chances seem to go up. And then a week from tomorrow, a nice trough forms over the east. And down below that, a surface boundary is dropping in here with a surface low northeast of the state. So again, the end of next week could be relatively wet. And look at June 5th. Goodness, very deep trough over the east. And by golly, if that's right, that would be a day where highs might even be in the low 70s. That's an anomalously cool day right there. And again, the consistency has been excellent in that feature showing up. Into the forecast on June the 11th, that looks more like June with a 588 ridge just to the southwest of here. And that would suggest warm, muggy weather with some risk of a few scattered showers or storms. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you are local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.